first leg. And Somalia lead in shock circumstances. It's a 6-minute headed winner. The opening leg. Zimbabwe are setting out to overturn a 1-goal deficit from the first leg. Here comes the corner, whipped in. Headed down and a chance, and Zimbabwe finally have the goal that they've been searching for all match, and it's the number 8, Munetsi. The man who moved this summer from Orlando Pirates to Haas in France's Ligue 1 has given the home side hope with 15 minutes remaining. As Somalia, who'd held firm for so long, have now seen that goal from the opening leg wiped out. And what a finish it was. Headed back down, acrobatic. Somalia managing to win back possession. Ball sent forward once again. And now what an opportunity this is for Somalia to get the away goal, and they do! One apiece! What a mistake in the Zimbabwean defence. But the visitors don't care. What a massive, massive moment for Somalian football. Just when it looked like Zimbabwe were getting back into the match, a howler absolutely gifts them an equaliser.
Goal in favour of Somalia.
And you can see the look on the face of that Zimbabwean bench. Antipas just doesn't know where to put himself. Well, this is a massive, massive moment for Somalia. Their opening leg win ended a run of 19 successive defeats. And now not only do they look like they may well avoid defeat for a second match in a row, thanks to their number 10, Omar Abdullahi Mohamed, they now have a priceless away goal, which means Zimbabwe need to score more than once more. That is a massive, massive goal for Somalia. What an incredible moment. And now Zimbabwe facing embarrassment once again. A chance from the free kick, and Zimbabwe have themselves another goal. Muskwe from the free kick. Did it take a deflection? Well, suddenly the hosts need a goal once more. Remember, it's not enough at the moment at 2-1. Somalia will go through on away goals, but suddenly, in the final 15 minutes, we've gone goal crazy here at National Stadium in Harare. It did take a deflection off a Somalian head there, as we prepare to enter the 4 minutes of added time. There's Muskwe. The ball forward, finds Biliat on the edge of the box now. Can he get the shot in? He does, and it's the goal for Zimbabwe. It's 3-1. Incredible scenes. Zimbabwe managing to fight back after a horrific error, gifted Somalia the equaliser, and you can see the dejection on the Somalian faces. Zimbabwe somehow coming back from the dead. 3-1. It's incredible scenes here at National Stadium in Harare. And it's that man, Biliat, the talisman of the team. He's had a couple of opportunities today where he's not really done as well as he perhaps could have done in front of goal, but when it really mattered, he turned up, sent the shot into the top corner of the net, and has sent the crowd wild. Took his shirt off in celebration. He emulated Cristiano Ronaldo's celebration. Fired it past Ali, no chance for the Somalia goalkeeper. It's harsh on him because he's had a very, very good match. But look at the dejection on those faces. Booking for Biliat for removing his shirt, but he won't care. He will be a national hero at the end of this match unless Somalia can somehow find a late goal to save themselves. A couple of players taking their shirts off in celebration, but look at what it means to the Zimbabwean people. They were staring down the barrel at complete and utter humiliation after losing that opening match, giving themselves a lifeline through Munetsi and then somehow gifting Somalia the lead. But they have managed to save themselves. Munetsi, Musgwe and Biliat with the goals in a late show that will have Antipas a relieved man in these preliminary World Cup qualifiers. Now Zimbabwe just need to see it out. They send the ball forward, and they know that that will eat up significant time. Oh, what late drama. Goalless for the most part of the match, and then the final 13 minutes have been absolutely incredible. 4 goals. Munetsi equalising for Zimbabwe. Mohamed giving Somalia the lead again on aggregate. Musgwe giving Zimbabwe hope with a deflected free kick, and then Biliat with the dramatic winner, or what seems to be a dramatic winner. Now a final substitution for Zimbabwe. And coming off is Mahachi, in number 22, and replacing him is Thabane Kamusoko, who was initially going to be sent on earlier. The substitution did not stand, and that is the final whistle. It's all over here at National Stadium in Harare. Zimbabwe have won 3-1 against Somalia, so it finishes at 3-2 on aggregate, and Somalia was so close to making history after that 1-0 first leg win. Well, Munetsi gave Zimbabwe hope in the 77th minute, and it looked to have been snatched away. A defensive error giving Mohamed the chance to equalise and put Somalia back in front on aggregate. It was 2-1 at that stage. So the substitute Musgwe scoring a deflected free kick in the 86th minute, which set up the grandstand finish, which was capped by Biliat's late finish, driving the ball into the top corner of the net, and Zimbabwe running out 3-2 winners overall on aggregate, 3-1 here. And they have managed to save face in dramatic circumstances. So Zimbabwe advance, Somalia unfortunate, a painful way to be on the losing end, but what drama. Zimbabwe the winners, and that's all from National Stadium in Harare here, as we see another dramatic episode in these African World Cup preliminary qualifiers. Well, here is the Zimbabwe first goal. Munetsi, acrobatic, guiding the ball into the back of the net past Ali, his resistance finally broken. And this was the defensive error from Hadebe, of all people, that gave Somalia the chance to equalise through Mohamed. and go back in front on aggregate, and look at what it meant at that moment. Massive celebrations from the Somalia bench, and then the free kick by Musgwe deflected in, Ali given no chance, and at that moment Zimbabwe had hope. And then this happened. Biliat found on the edge of the box, lined up the shot, put it onto his left foot, drove it into the top corner. Fantastic finish. Took his shirt off in celebration, and look at what it meant to those Zimbabwean players. As the players make their way off the pitch, emotions are high, but the Zimbabwean fans happy, the players relieved. It's Zimbabwe who advance, and Somalia left with hard lines to read.